Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Trance Go wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason, whether it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you decide to just buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to clear or delete all the pairing history and settings so that you can set this speaker up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box. It's very easy to do. All we need to do is with the speaker on, we're just going to come in, we're going to find the Bluetooth button all the way on the right over here, and then this volume button here. You just need to press and hold both of those buttons for 8 seconds. If you hold those for 8 seconds simultaneously, that will cause your speaker to reset to its factory default settings, at which point you can go ahead and then just set it up like a brand new speaker.